Here we are 10 minutes later. Right answer. This thing's still not starting. I don't know what to do. Yeah. Alright, it's in gear. Hang on. Sit down, Esther. It's not going nowhere. Okay, well, we'll be back with an update.